in distress, no. I am the main event, it's my show. Got 'em snapping me from every angle, burning up like a candle. Say I'm too hot to handle, let's go. I know you like what you see, so get ready for me, cause I'm coming in hot. You're gonna love me. Yeah, I'm coming in hot. Yeah, you're gonna love me. Yeah, I'm coming in hot. I am no damsel in distress, no. I am the main event, it's my show. Got 'em snapping me from every angle, burning up like a candle. Say I'm too hot to handle, let's go. I'm coming in hot. You're gonna love me. Ooh, child. Yeah, I'm coming in hot.
Nagsising in eh. Simula nung ginising ako. Actually, pumasok sila dito, tulog pa ako eh. Tapos, inayaan ko lang sila pumasok.
Si Michael kasi, siya medyo maiksi yung pasensya niya. Pero nagugulat na lang ako sa kanya bakit siya nag-i-stay. Ako kasi alam ko, di naman ako perfect, pero napapaisip lang din ako, bakit ka mag-i-stay? Grabe din pasensya na itong taong to kasi pinipili niya yung mag-stay araw-araw. Kahit minsan nag-i-impake na yun ng maleta, lalayas siya, pero yun niya tinutuloy.
Camille, do you take Michael here present to be your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
Michael, do you take Camille here present to be your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church? Yes, I do. Bilang kalimutang mamangha, kundi huwag kalimutan na patuloy na magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos. Make it a habit to pray together. Make it a habit to celebrate the Eucharist together and with your families. And draw strength always from the blessings of the Lord who blessed your relationship.
Who would have thought na darating tayo sa moment na to na ikakasal tayo tapos cathedral pa. And wala lang, I feel very blessed kasi I have you in my life and the kids. Even though yung iba syempre no family is perfect naman, sabi nga nila. But I'm really happy and so very blessed to have you and Ching in my life and the other kids, yung mga boys mo, the girls, and yung aking panganay. I love you so much. Very, very. So, yun lang. Kita-kits tayo naman.
Never known the 20 seconds or 20 years. Can I go where you go? Can we always?
Thank you, Ma, for all your sacrifices din sa amin ni Maida at ng mga kapatid ko. And I'll be forever grateful naman kasi kung wala ka, wala rin ako dito.
Thank you so much kasi gaya na sabi ko, in-spoil mo ko. Lagi kayo nag-away ni Mama dahil sa akin. But thank you kasi pinaranas mo sa akin yan. And kaya nagiging ganun din ako sa mga anak ko. Because of you and kay Mama. Thank you so much, Yana. Thank you so much. I love you both. Thank you.
Cause this is our place when they call. And I'm highly suspicious that everybody who sees you wants you. Oh, I've loved you 3 summers now, honey, but I want more. Can I go where you go?
toxic scar of mine. I'll take this magnetic force, it'll be mine. Lover, my heart's been barcode and yours has been blue. And all's will it ends will to end up with you. I swear to be over dramatic and true to my lover. You say all your dirtiest jokes for me. And at every table, I'll save your seat, lover. And I go where you go. Can we always be this close? Forever and ever and now. Take me high, take me high.
Michael, you may now kiss your bride.